And when you hear that noise, tra! You know things on. That's the quintessential Caribbean noise right there when you round up and you chunky a good hot gun.
Hi guys and welcome. I'm Kezzianne and this is How To Foodie Nation, the show that teaches you everything, all the how-tos about Trini cuisine. With me is Chef Jason, and today we're going to learn everything about cooking stewed chicken. Chef, there is a big bowl of chicken in front of me. What is going on?
Well, of course, we're making stewed chicken. We need to deal with that chicken. I have 2 chickens cut up here.
Okay.
When you're cutting it up, you don't want to leave the pieces too big. So you want to cut them into manageable pieces so they cook evenly inside there.
Yeah.
So this has been cleaned, it's been washed already, drained, and it's time to season it up in the old style Caribbean way. So we got to do this. So first and foremost, guys, salt.
Okay, salt.
You want to start with that. Foundation, salt, and black pepper is a must. Very important. Okay, so there we go with that. Now, this is where we add all that great herbage that is Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes.
Garlic, so minced garlic goes inside there. And of course, onions, minced onions. You need to get inside there, and you're going to put your hands in there and you're going to start to massage the chicken.
We're
Make sure all the black pepper
chicken.
and salt and garlic and onion gets inside there. And you know why you're doing that, right?
Why am I doing this?
This is how you exude love into the chicken. It's through the fingertips. Love comes through.
So I'm pushing all my love.
Massage it, and it's going to go from 2 to 10 now in the levels. Check this out. Chopped celery.
And I continue to massage.
It's rising. Let's go. Pimentos, minced.
Got it.
And get inside there.
I'm getting in, I'm getting in, I'm getting in.
Yes, show it love. And this is how you get into the nooks and the crannies and the crevices of the chicken.
Yeah.
You know? Because what's going on here is that
I think we're getting somewhere.
You're getting somewhere. So let's go. Chadon Beni. Of course, Chadon Beni, that herb that we have here in Trinbagonian that we use a lot in our local cuisine. Throughout the islands, they call it recao, serrated leaf cilantro, blessed thistle. But Chadon Beni is definitely a must when seasoning. Chopped chives. Is it chives or chive?
Chives? Chive?
How do you spell that?
What do people say?
Is it not C-H-I-V-E? And people come chive.
Yeah.
Tell me what do you guys call it and how you spell it, because I know it's C-H-I-V-E. I don't know how that could be chive. So we have that fresh green seasoning inside there already. We also have some minced green seasoning inside there. That nice chunkiness inside there. Now, why put both, Kezzy?
I don't know, Chef. Tell me.
Well, in addition to using the bottle seasoning, which I just added, the fresh seasoning also helps both of the flavors give a nice vibrant and vivacious punch when seasoning. And of course, Trinidad and Tobago, Caribbean cuisine, we need that in our food, and that's what really excels our cuisine up to the next level. How are we doing there? Good?
I think we're good.
You good?
I think so.
You're looking good thus far. What you want to do now is to let this marinate for a minimum of at least 1 hour before we stew it, but you could ideally do this overnight.
Yeah.
In the game. So I think we're ready to roll.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you on this side.
Okie dokie.
I'll show you how to brown sugar.
Yes.
To make our illustrious stewed chicken. You know, that's a bit scary for some.
A little bit.
We're going to break it down today.
Okay.
Let's do this. Oil inside. What about 3 tablespoons of oil? So you're going to add all of that for me, please. And my pan is medium to high heat right now. Low-sided, so obviously the chicken cooks evenly. She's swirling it around nicely so she gets it all over the surface area.
Okay.
At this point, sugar. I need you to drizzle it in an even manner across.
We're going all the way across.
All the way across.
Okay.
That way you get an even caramelization. That's very important. If you're a novice in making like stewed chicken, I definitely say this is a method for you to employ because it's foolproof.
How's this looking?
You're looking good. Go ahead, continue going it.
Yeah.
At this point, I'm going to bring it up to high heat now. All right, so full whack stove. And we're going to wait for a little while. What's going to happen is that the sugar is going to start to turn in different degrees of color.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's starting to break down right now. At this point, it's going to go to a light brown. It's going to go to an amber brown. It's going to go to a dark brown with little shades of almost blonde inside there. When you see that, you're going on the right stage.
Right.
You're going to let it go after that a little bit again. And this is where you have to start to pay attention, where it starts to get a bit of a dark brown black. And then you keep your eye on it even more, because the next stage is when you're actually going to put the chicken inside.
Okay.
And that's when it starts to get a sort of a darkish black, crude color. Not extensively dark like tar, but at the same time, you're seeing bubbles emitting and coming, and you see little puffs of smoke.
Okay.
At that point in time, ladies and gents, that is when you put your chicken inside. And you're going to see it now.
So I don't go at this with my spoon. No turning.
Well, the thing about it is that later on you can stir it if you want.
Yeah.
But the reason we put the sugar in a nice thin layer is that it could hopefully take away from adding that aspect of stirring.
Okay.
Especially when this could be quite dangerous
Yeah.
if it spills on you.
It's hot.
No, immediately you could see it starting to bubble there, and that's good. So the heat is concentrated in that area. So what you can do is take your spoon and start to spread it out.
Spread
and
it.
allow the sugar on the extremities of the pot to get a little bit of love. Bring it into this center of the pot.
There we go.
There you go, you're doing a good job.
I've done this before, maybe.
Maybe. Not a lot of people are scared of making browning on the whole biting bottle, but it's not that hard when you really think about it. This corner here needs a little love also. Bring it into the party.
Yeah. Come on in, guys.
So
Come
you're
on
seeing
in.
little shades of almost dark brown, but little blonde in there. You know the blonde here, like ladies who dye hair, get a little bit of blonde and start to wash out. That's what we're talking about.
Oh no.
I mean, I'm trying to make it easy for everyone here. Come on.
How are we looking now,
You're
Chef?
looking good. You can see here it's ready on this side, but on this side it's still lightly
Still a little
brown.
bit light.
Correct. So bring it around a little more. Continue moving it, and the heat develops the sugar very well.
Right.
Don't be scared to do this, ladies and gents. It's so simple, and that's why we're breaking it down here for you.
How's it going?
You're going good right now.
Yeah?
I'm thinking maybe like about 15 to 20 seconds again, and you'll be ready.
Ready?
Ready? Of course.
I'm a brown sugar champion.
All right. Just bring that in. We're going in there.
Okay.
Now you're starting to see extreme dark developing there.
Yeah.
Let's see a little bit there, so we can just show those guys it. And you see this here? That's the caramel we're talking about. That's that black color we were speaking about earlier on. At this point, we're ready to add our chicken inside.
Nice.
Let's go.
Help me out, Chef.
So stick it out gently and away from you. Woo! Yeah! And when you hear that noise, try! You know things on. That's the quintessential Caribbean noise right there. When you round up and you chunky a good hot girl.
So do I turn now?
Start to turn.
Got it.
Allow that caramelization that you just developed to coat the chicken evenly all over the pieces. Get that nice sear, that nice brown developing across there.
Look at that.
We ain't want no wash out stew. We want a nice brown dumb stew. So stir it up.
Yeah.
Pot is still on high heat. Stir it up nicely.
I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
And the beauty about it is that you could tell that this is homemade kind, vibes and food going on here. You're seeing the fresh seasoning, the garlic, the onion. And obviously you're seeing that nice brown developing there. And that's a beautiful sear.
Yeah.
And obviously that's going to give attraction when we eat the chicken. You're going to see that nice brown exterior. But you know me, I'm a sucker for some good color.
I know. Well, what is this?
So what we're going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste inside here. Some people add ketchup. I like tomato paste because it's a little bit bolder,
Yeah.
rich, and add that nice deep flavor. So you're going to add a little bit inside there. And of course, it'll thicken up the sauce nicely and it will add some good color when you really think about it.
Got it.
Some nice tomato paste. In addition to that, some fresh tomatoes. Yes, tomato paste, fresh
And
tomatoes.
tomatoes.
This one is a little bit sweeter. This one
Okay.
tends to be bold, and you're gonna get that nice fruitiness inside here. And
Okay.
of course, when it cooks down, you're gonna get those little shards of tomato chunks inside there.
Throw it in.
And mix it up for me, girl. You're doing a good job. Now, ideally, when you mix this up, what you need to do, ladies and gents, we are gonna drop our pepper inside there. We're gonna cover it down, and we're gonna let this go for 8 to 10 minutes on medium to high heat. What's gonna happen? The chicken is going to spring its natural water, and that water is actually what attributes to making a good stew gravy.
Okay.
So it's natural stock water, chicken stock water they
Yeah.
put in there, if you get where I'm coming from.
I get you.
You get me?
Throw it in.
So we put that inside, and of course, this is Trinidad and Tobago, this is Caribbean, a nice hot pepper. Boom! Throw it in, cover up,
Yeah.
and we're good to go. You check back on it, 8 to 10 minutes. Kez, 8 to 10 minutes going. Let's check this out. Ooh,
Ooh.
you see that color coming in already?
Yeah.
You see nice little tinges of brown in there. That's the searing process that we added the chicken earlier on, the caramelization of the sugar. Of course, you see how it sprung its natural water.
So much sauce.
Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, at this point in time, again, this is natural water
Yeah.
that sprung. I want a little more water inside there.
Okay.
So I just want to drizzle in, just to make the sauce a little more loose for me. And I want you to stir it up. So what's going on there is that you're stirring it up to allow each piece of chicken to get a little bit of that sauce going on, and it's cooking evenly. As you can see, you're getting the drumsticks, the wings, the pieces of the thigh. I did cut the thigh in half, drumsticks in half, You breast in about 3, and that's very important when stewing, so it cooks evenly and it's not big chunky pieces.
Okay.
So ideally it's sitting and just mellowing in that sauce.
Yes.
Now at this point in time, we cover it again. Yes.
Again.
Cover it again, and we're going for about 10 minutes this time.
Okay.
Check back on. Remove the cover! Let's see what we have inside here. Look at that color.
Yes.
Look at that color. As you could see, that sauce has
Beautiful.
developed nicely inside there. Chicken has a beautiful color. You've seen little pieces with tomatoes inside there. Look at that pepper. You seen that?
Let me give it a little turn.
Give it a nice little turn inside there for me,
Give it a little
please.
turn, give it a little turn.
Now, obviously, we added black pepper and salt in the seasoning process of the chicken. I am going to add a little bit of salted butter.
Secret ingredient.
Secret, something about when you see that melt and it creates a nice little blanket of love on top of it. It's like that's how mommy does cook. It's like that's real Trinbagonian vibes. You know, we put that inside there for the little. Put that inside there.
Put the
inside there. Look how that look already. That is sexiness. Now just let it dissolve inside there.
This is a sexy stew chicken now.
Sexy stew chicken. Mix it up, and I'm gonna add a little more black pepper because obviously we have that salty aspect inside there. Mix it up for me. And then at this point in time, we need to taste it. So after she stirs it, I'm gonna taste it. The chicken is cooked at this point in time. It's been cooking for more or less 19 to 20, going on 21 minutes. It's all about the sauce and how it tastes. So once I taste this,
Taste away.
I'm gonna know how we're looking.
So it's time to eat?
Sorry, I felt, oh, it's a dream. It tastes nice. This is salt butter. Perfect inside there.
Yeah.
But I know about you. But I like my sauce to reduce a little bit. It's called a little thick sauce. Yeah?
A little thick sauce.
A little thick sauce. Another
Thick
word we
sauce.
just say, we have to let that sirwa develop.
Stop. We have to let it what?
The sirwa to develop. That's when the sauce get nice and thick.
Sirwa.
And it reduced and it concentrated with flavor.
Okay.
People, I know you all know what sirwa is outside here. Tell us if you ever heard about the word sirwa before. So we let it reduce. About 3 minutes, leave the cover open, and then
Okay.
we're gonna come back to that, and that sauce would have reduced significantly, and our chicken is ready to go.
And then it's time to eat.
All right, Kezzy.
Yes.
I know this is your moment in time. This is
The
where you
best
shine.
time.
This is where you shine. I'll take out a little piece here for us to try. Look how beautiful that sauce is.
So
Can you imagine you
beautiful.
put that on some macaroni pie, some fried rice, I
Yum.
mean some provision. Can't go wrong. Dig in. I'm gonna try this piece here. It's a little bit hot.
A little hot, a little hot.
Hot. I think the pepper boss boy. You get it inside there? You've seen all these seasonings inside there, the green seasonings.
I have no words except amazing. Good job, chef.
Well, I mean, really and truly.
Good job, me.
You were the one to do it, you know, chef. So she comes and tells me, you know, it's me who actually did it, chef.
It was me.
We did a good job in all righteousness. Phenomenal work. We want to invite you to actually make this at home because I mean,
Please.
a lot of people are actually scared to make stew chicken, but I mean, we just broke it down for you step by step and debunked some of the whole aspects of being scared, but it's not that difficult. Kezzianne could do it. I know you could do it.
You could do it too.
Because Kezzianne is... Shh. We'll get to that in a moment.
Thank you so much for joining us, guys. And for this and many more how-tos from Foodie Nation, see the link down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.
Bye.